In this video, I will show you how to write this not equal to symbol in Microsoft Excel. So to type and to write this symbol, click on Insert and Equation and select this not equal to. The way, just insert equation and type here NE and press space bar. So you can type this symbol. Insert equation slash and NE. Just type NE, N for not and E for equal, and press space bar. Another way you can use the shape. So insert and shape, and in the equation shapes, select this not equal to. Now draw, and here you can make changes as you need. Like this. So thanks for watching.